Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. This is a dish when you are having loss of appetite or you are not having the liking for food or the taste of food is absent. You can try this recipe. Add a little bit of butter to the heated pan, and to this add half teaspoonful of cumin seeds, and let the cumin seeds splutter nicely, and then add 2 green chilies. Green chilies you can add according to your taste. Now here I have added one large size boiled potato diced, and to this I will be adding salt, but this is a pink salt. Do not avoid the pink salt, friends. Add the pink salt. In Bengali we call it beet noon also. You can add that beet noon. Rock salt, you can add rock salt also. Don't add regular salt, because while boiling the potato I have added a little bit of salt. Now here fry the potatoes till they are golden in color. Then add a dash of oregano. You can add here any other flavoring agent also. Since this is pepper potato, so add freshly crushed pepper here, 1 teaspoonful of pepper, and then mix everything very nicely. And you can top it up with a little bit of more butter, but I have avoided that, and a little bit of parsley. Instead of parsley you can add coriander leaves also. Now your dish is ready to serve. So friends, if you all like this recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, humble request to subscribe.